Today I'm going to show you how to fix cracks in black plastic without any chemicals and no glues, right here on the Everyday Man. So you can see that maybe on the trails or wherever something hit the bottom of the cab, and this is solid black plastic. Something hit it and cracked it wide open here. Now we're going to fix this without any chemicals. We're not going to use glue or adhesives. What we're going to use is a welding kit for plastic. So I picked this up at Harbor Freight. It's a plastic welding kit. It's 80 watts and it'll melt plastic and put it back together. And you use a filler rod, except instead of a filler rod that's metal, you're using plastic. So before we get going on this, I want to show you a close-up of this, and also you need to clean it, right? If you're not familiar with these, it's a two-piece push pin. So you have to pull the middle piece out, away, okay, just like that. Okay, so that's what they look like. So the first thing we're going to do is I want to hold this up while I start welding it. Maybe it's not going to stick. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's see if it's going to hold it on its own. There you go. Now what we can do is go ahead and roll this whole thing. Yeah, you have to get it in deep enough, and you have to get them to melt together, right? Let that sit a minute. Now it's on. Let that harden up, and look at that. Okay, now real quick, I want to get this side done because it's a lot of stress on that. Now I'm just going to melt these together. Okay, so I decided to put a reinforcement. So what I'm going to do is just use this screen, and I'm going to bend it so make sure it gets over the crack. First, I'm going to melt this into the top. And I'm going to let that dry real quick. So now that that's dry, let's bend it around. And I'll do the same thing underneath. Okay, so we got the bottom done. Now we're going to fill in this the same way, right? I'm going to just press into it, and it'll melt that screen right into the plastic. If you keep doing this, you can actually get the screen to disappear. You know, while I'm at it, I'm going to put one on this side too. So let's get that on there, right about there. Okay, once, let that harden up a little bit. Now I can just form it right around. So I think I squeezed out some of the plastic here. I'm going to reinforce it with, get some plastic on top of it. It's barely on, but now I can do the bottom and it'll break off, right? like that. So get the plug in. Once you get the plug in, you should be able to press that in, just like that. That, in my opinion, is a really nice finished job. Well, there you go. This project's done. We welded back together the cracked plastic using this plastic welding kit. Comes with this, I call it a soldering iron. It's a welding iron because it's flat to melt the plastic. It worked perfectly. If I can do it, you can do it. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.